Hi Laura, I want to thank you for sending in your die and your materials for us to test on our die cutting press. I went ahead and cut earlier. I cut the heavier piece of material that you sent, and unfortunately, it didn't break at the cut. I was showing it to Matt, our marketing director, and he accidentally bent it too hard and broke it. But I'll go ahead and send you this back. You can see it cut nice clean edges all the way around, but it did not break anything on the inside of the die. Now I've got your rest of your material here, and I am going to use the little clicker dies that we have. These are 1.25 inches. They're not 1.5 inches like yours, but you can use any of your other dies with this press. I'm going to go ahead and the 0 OW-138 material. I'm going to go ahead, and you've already got a little pattern on here that is similar to this one. Now I'm not going to use this die because this is one of our test dies, and as you can see, I've got a little bit of a gap right here that's not going to cut. I need to have mine sharpened. So I'm going to go ahead and use a couple others that we have here, some smaller ones, and I'm going to set that on here. Slide that in and out, and as you can see, it cut out a perfect little pattern for you. Nice clean edges out of that. Now I will go, and I'm going to go ahead and try to use this die to show you the shape pattern. If I can get it in here, which it looks like I can. So I'm going to go ahead and push that up, and we're going to slide this in. And like I said, I have one little spot on there that didn't cut, but it cut real clean. And I'll send this back to you also. This is the die I used. So that one is done. We'll go ahead and test these other two. This one is the VS75-6 that you sent. And I will go ahead and use a little larger rectangle pattern on this. Slide that in. And as you can see, it cuts it real nice and clean, nice clean edges along there. A smaller one. But it's just that quick that we can use these, and I don't have a punch that I can slide in there. Fortunately, he put a cover on the back of this one also, but that punched out really nice and clean also. Side. This is the final piece that you've sent in to test. This is a VS-16-9. Now I'm going to go ahead and put two different patterns on here at the same time to show you the way this machine can cut. You can actually do more than one, but it looks like most of yours are pretty small. So, and as you can see, both pieces out of the same material, real quick and easy. So we're going to go ahead, and I already did your heavy material, as you can see, so I'll go ahead and send this video over to you, Laura, and I'll call you to discuss. Thank you.